Welcome dear students, welcome you all. In this video, we will discuss about the 1 mark questions, that is multiple choice, true false, match the column and fill-ups from chapter 4, book name is Civics and it is for the class 7 social science. The chapter name is Growing Up as Boys and Girls. So before starting video, I would like to request you all subscribe the channel and press the like button. So we are starting with our first section, that is multiple choice question. So in the multiple choice, the first question is the roles of men and women are equally valued, not equally valued, of same status, none of these. So the correct answer is not equally valued. Next question, what was the most important activity on an island of Samona in 1920? Fishing, farming, household work, none of these. So the correct answer is option A, fishing. At what age did the boy in Samona join older boys for learning outdoor jobs? 5 years, 9 years, 11 years and 13 years. The correct option is 9 years. Next question. What did girls in Samona learn after the age of 14 years? How to weave baskets, how to grow plantation, special cooking and all of these. So the correct answer is all of these. From which class did the girls and boys go to separate school in MP? Options are 4th, 6th, 7th, 11th. So the correct answer is 6th. What were girls given to play while the boys were given cars? The girls was given dolls. Doing household work is work or not? And the options are yes, no, both A and B, none of these. So doing household work is also a type of work. Who has the main responsibility of housework across the world? That is the correct option is woman. Who was Melanie? So Melanie was a domestic worker, a factory worker, a shopkeeper or a teacher. So the correct answer is Melanie was a domestic worker. What are the total number of work hours spent by women workers in Haryana every week? The options are 23 hours, 30 hours, 19 hours and 35 hours. So the correct answer is 23 hours. Subscribe the channel where you will get solution of all the 1 mark questions, all type of 1 mark questions. The next question is, who can take steps to bring gender equality? Constitution, society, both or none? So both can take step to bring equality. Next question, what is the sense of self-awareness? Self-concept, dignity, identity, reputation. So the correct answer is identity. Next question is, what is the term what is commonly used to describe the woman's work and situation? Double labor, double work, double burden, double recognition. So the correct answer is double burden. Next question, besides physical tasks, women also involve a strong emotional aspect, that is shopping, caregiving, physical giving and double giving. So that is the correct option is caregiving. Correct option is caregiving. Our next question is, when someone is not given due recognition for a task or job they have done, they can feel no valued, revalued, pre-valued or devalued. So the correct answer is devalued. Next, were Harmeet and Sonali correct in saying that their mother do not work? Yes, her mother do not do any work. Yes, as household work is revalued. No, Harmeet mother is elder than him. No, as household work is devalued. So the correct option is no, as household work is devalued. It is a social construct that and cannot be determined by biological differences. 6. Gender, masculine, feminine. The correct option is gender. Next question. At what age did the boy of Samoa join other boys for learning outdoor job? The correct option is 9. Already we have discussed. So after the age of or so, girls also went for fishing strip, worked in the plantation and learned how to weave basket. So the correct option is 14, after the age of 14. From which class did the girls and boys go to separate schools in a town in Madhya Pradesh? The correct option is class 6th onwards. The government has passed law that make it mandatory for organizations that have more than 30 men employees to provide crèche facilities. That is 30 women actually. That is 30 women. The government has passed laws that make it mandatory for organizations that have more than 30 women employees. Actually, this is the correct answer. Correct answer is 30 women employees. In areas women and girls carry heavy loads of firewood, so the correct option is in rural areas. गांव में. Next, how many women that are working in India are engaged in agricultural work? So the correct option is 83.6%. Many people believe that women are better nurses because they like serving patients. Men do not prefer to do job of nurses. They are more aware about the problem of patient. They are more patient and gentle. So they have more patience and gentle. This is the end of section 1, multiple choice questions. Subscribe the channel where you will get solution of all type 1 mark questions. The next section is match the column. So match the column. The first is paid work hour for women in Haryana is 23 hours. Paid work hours for women in Tamil Nadu is 19 hours. Housework hour men in Haryana is 2 hours. And housework hours men in Tamil Nadu is 4 hours. So we can check it. Yes. Next section is fill in the blanks. So the child centers in village are called Anganwadi. Next question. Our constitution provides of gender equality. So in Madhya Pradesh, the girls' schools were designed differently in the 1960s. Most of the work done by women is devalued or invisible. So the different roles assigned to boys and girls prepare them for their future role as men and women. In the 1960s, the class 6 onward boys and girls went to separate schools in Madhya Pradesh. Most domestic workers are women. Our constitution does not make any discrimination on the basis of gender. The provision of dash help many women to take up employment outside the home, that is crèches. Household work is invisible or devalued and unpaid work. The next section is true and false. Housework does not require physical and emotional work. And this statement is wrong, false statement. Life of domestic worker is very difficult. That is the correct statement. Government has passed laws that organization with women workers must have a crèche facility. True statement. Domestic workers get high wages. That is the false statement. The society we grow up in teaches us what kind of behavior is acceptable for girls and boys. That is a true statement. If we talk to elder in our family, we will see that their childhood were probably as the same as ours. That is a false statement. Men and women do not have the same status. This is a true statement. The government has set up Anganwadis or childcare centers in several villages in the country. That is a correct statement. Work done by a housewife is valued. This is a false statement. And all societies do not think similarly about the role that boys and girls play. This is a true statement. Our society does not make distinctions between boys and girls when they are growing up. This is a false statement. There is a distinction between boys and girls. Women who stay at home do not work. This is a false statement. They do a lot of work. The work that women do is less valued than that of men. This is the true statement. Thank you so much for watching this video. Very soon we will be there with the chapter 5 of civics. Subscribe the channel, like the share button, press the like button, share the video and subscribe the channel. 1 mark solution, where you will get solution of all type of 1 mark questions. Thank you.